Well, hi there pluckers, Arthur Sawfingers again with you with a very quick lesson on a song called The One by Kolton Moore. Okay, I'm not going to actually sing you the song because basically guitar work in it is very simple and it's just very repetitive. Okay, so there's only two bits to show you, and that's the intro and the verse stroke chorus. Okay, so the intro is this. Okay, that's the intro, and then the verse and the chorus are that's the same all the way through the song for the verse and the chorus. The only thing different about the intro is there's a little bit of a bit on that bit. So what I'm doing, I'm playing a G chord. It's the same key as he plays it in. Okay, G. So what I'm doing there is just a basic G chord, and I'm basically hitting the bottom E string, 4th string open, 3rd string open. Okay. Then you hit the 3rd string again, then the 4th string, and then the 3rd string. So it's okay, boom. Then you do exactly the same thing, but you lower the bass note from the 3rd string, the 3rd fret at the bottom E string, to the 2nd fret on the bottom E string. And then you do the same for an E minor. You can put your first finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string. You don't actually need to do it because you're not actually playing that string, but it's useful for the next bit. Okay, so from the beginning, okay, and then what you do for the intro, just for the intro and in between the choruses and the following verses, is you hammer up from that 2nd fret on the 5th to the 3rd fret on the 5th, and then repeat the picking sort of thing that you were doing for the other chord bit. So it's so if you've done that 3rd on the 5th, 4th open, 2 hits on the G, 4th open, 3rd, you hammer up from the open 3rd to the 2nd fret on the 3rd, and then pull it, do the same but pull it off. Hit it, then there's a, you hit it again, and then hit it again and pull off. So and then you're back to this. You do exactly the same thing for the verse. You're into the verse then, and it's exactly the same, but without any of this. Okay, so it's just the straight bit. And that's all it is for the verse and the chorus. And then when he's done another verse and the chorus, at the end of each chorus you do the intro again. Okay, got the idea? Hopefully that will take the mystique out of it. It's very simple. Okay, so thanks very much for watching and listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.